Ooh, it's flying, it's taking off. Oh, smooth. You have seen way too many videos. You got this, you got this. How cool is the view up from here? Okay, what do I do? What do I do now? Yeah, let's do a 360-degree rotation. Not too fast, not too fast. What the hell? Come on. It's your first flight. You will get a hang of it. Let's go sideways and see. Yep, no trace. All good. Let's roll, let's roll. It's all cool doing a side track, but I want to do 360 view though. Oh my god, woman. Slow down, slow down. Shucks. Okay, let's do something else. We do see some trees in the front. Let's not go that way. We don't want to crash on our first day. Let's push out. Nah, that is towards water. Let's do another side track. Oh, this side tracks are smooth and nice. Good job, good job, good job. This is all good. I want to do 360 view though. This woman never stops. Okay, I'm nailing it. Nice, smooth. Third time is a charm. Was this an autofocus? Oh, it's exposed too much. Look at the zebra lines on the screen. Nah. Now let's do a push out. I'll change the angle. Jerky movements are a no-no. No-no, dude. I can do it. Watch. See, I'll go high and take in the view. Dude, did you forget? There is an airport nearby. You cannot go higher than 60. Your max altitude is set. Makes sense. Makes sense. Look at me all grown up. I'm on fire. This is so nice. Let me go front, no back, no side. I don't know, it's water, I don't know. Don't go towards the water on your first day. It's the first rule of drone flying. Is it the... I mean, this drone loves me. Let's go. I'm above the water, wow. Look at the marshlands. What if the bird hits me now? Okay, I should come back towards land. But let me do a reveal shot. I'll push back and raise my altitude. Is it right one back, left one, left one? Okay, right one back, left one up. There it goes. Good reveal shot. Good one, good one. Look at the hills. Look at the observation deck. Look at trials. Okay, that's good enough. I could not spot the drone. And when I look at the view, it feels like it's right above me, but I could not find it. I look at the map. I see it's near home. Duh, I know that. Is it near home or near helipad? What if I crash this into water? Should I just leave it there? Okay. Here goes $600 into the marshlands. What should I say to hubby? The drone had a good flight, but it dived into water. It's taking a bath there. It doesn't want to come home. God, no. Come back to home. Please, come back. Thankfully, the landing was smooth. Girl, you pinch on the map to expand. Then you would have known it's helipad or home. Of what? I was supposed to take cinematic clips. Why the hell did I fly in normal mode and record in that?